Hi, my name is Shantanu Kumar. I am basically from Bihar, where I have completed up to my pre-university studies. Recently, I have completed MCA with 69.5 percentage from Saram IIT Bangalore. Prior to that, I have done BCA from Brindavan College, Bangalore. Uh, Towards my hobbies, I love watching movies, listening to music, and playing games on the ground as well as on the devices. My strength is I have good programming skills and I learn things quickly. I'm friendly and I am quick adaptive to any work culture. During my MCA, I got chance to do some projects. First, I would like to talk about my mini project, which was a part of our curriculum. I I developed one Android application for Android user. Uh, the plan of of the project was in my mind long before I have developed it. Uh, when I used to travel on the road, I observed that people are stuck in the traffic waiting for to get through the traffic, and I noticed that many of the person who are going to their workplace, they go alone in a car. So I just thought that there may be many people who are coming from the same area and going to the same destination. So I thought of developing application which through which they can meet to each other and they can plan that they want to pull each other or not. It's their decision. And after my next project which I was involved in was in Fidelity Investment, where I have completed my internship in June 2012. Fidelity Investment is one of the biggest company of the United States. Uh, Fidelity provides their customer financial services, and because Fidelity is one of the biggest company in the US market, so they manage trillions of dollars. For managing this big amount, the people who are working in that company, they are required good tools. Those tools provides speed as well as accuracy. So like those people, they are called RIA, registered investment advisors. They are required to see the reports day by day or as they want. So for my project, and my project title was also report usability enhancement. So this project was related to those tools. And as I have mentioned, my more interest is I would like to work as an Android developer. So if I get chance, I'll try to do my best. I would like to work in an innovative and challenging environment where I can prove my skills and to be an asset to the company where I work for. Thank you.